Alright everybody, show you what I'm working on. Got a 1993 Dodge Stealth ES, working on the rod bearings. Well, I skipped a few processes for you guys. I had to drop the cross member and the oil pan. I picked up some metal shavings in my oil pan. I'm hearing a loud knocking. Everybody said it's the rod bearing, so I ordered some new rod bearings. Okay, I replaced bank one, that one, and this one. I think this is the one that's knocking due to the movement without me dropping the cap. Well, that one and that one, without the bolts being loose on that one, is still moving. And I still have yet to get to 5 and 6. Well, I'll let you guys know whenever it gets done. My name is Dwight Cohen, and I appreciate you guys viewing me. Thank you.